In this video, we are going to be looking at our renewal spur, in particular our bud orientation. And as you can see with this one, the buds are not on top and underneath, they're actually on the sides. So you're not always going to find a vine that has perfect bud orientation, but it is really important that you start to trying to think about exactly where those buds are going to go so that you can get an idea of how the branching of the spur is going to happen next year. So in this one, they've taken the bud one here at the back as their new, that will be their new spur bud, and the top one is the fruiting cane. And as you can see, you've got another bud back here, which will be suppressed by this one. And because they've taken it from the underside, it's going to shoot out kind of out to the, slightly out to the mid row, but it's also still in line with the wire and with this pole. So it will shoot out to the side, but next year we'll be able to spur prune that again and redirect the bud to try and get it back in line with the vine. That's just an example of how it's not always easy to get that bud orientation perfect, but you've just got to think about where it's going to point in the future and try and keep directing it back to the way you want it. And also just keep in mind that you're not trying to do too much crisscrossing throughout the spur position.